What if I told you I built my own software business in a single weekend, without hiring developers, without spending thousands of dollars, and without being a coding expert? Sounds impossible, right? But that's exactly what happened. Using Claude AI, I built SaaS from scratch in just 2 days. And today, I'll show you exactly how I did it step by step. If you've ever wanted to build an online business, this video might give you a completely new perspective. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly talk about what SaaS means. SaaS stands for Software as a Service. These are online tools people pay to use every month. Think about Canva, Grammarly, Notion, Shopify. Instead of selling a product once, SaaS businesses can generate recurring monthly revenue. And that's why entrepreneurs love them. The first thing I needed wasn't code. It was a problem to solve. I asked Claude AI, give me simple SaaS ideas that small businesses would actually pay for. After reviewing several ideas, I chose an AI social media post generator. The idea was simple. Business owners enter their niche. The software generates Instagram posts, Facebook posts, LinkedIn, content, marketing captions, saving them hours every week. Next, I asked Claude AI, create a complete roadmap for an AI social media generator, SaaS. Within seconds, Claude generated landing page, user, dashboard, content generator, history, section, subscription page, settings page. Instead of spending days planning, the entire structure was ready almost instantly. Now came the exciting part, building the actual software. I asked Claude AI, generate a modern SaaS dashboard with a clean and professional design. Claude generated dashboard layout, navigation menu, user interface, mobile responsive design, content generation section. Then I improved it by asking, make it look premium, improve mobile responsiveness, add animations, create a modern landing page. Every prompt made the product better. A software product needs features people actually want. So I asked Claude AI to add AI caption generator, hashtag generator content calendar, post history, content templates. Now the product felt like a real SaaS platform instead of just a simple tool. And all of these improvements happened through simple conversations with Claude AI. Now it was time to think like a business owner. I asked Claude AI, create pricing plans for this SaaS product. Claude suggested basic plan, $19 per month. Pro plan, $49 per month. Agency plan, $99 per month. Then it generated landing page copy, sales headlines, marketing content, feature comparisons. At this point, I had both a product and a business model. The biggest lesson I learned is this. Most people use AI to save time. Entrepreneurs use AI to build assets. A website is an asset, an app is an asset, and a SaaS has a potential to become a recurring income stream. That's where the real opportunity is. So that's how I built a SaaS product using Claude AI in 1 weekend. AI is making software creation faster than ever before, and the people learning these tools today may have a huge advantage tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more content about Claude AI businesses, SaaS startups, and making money online. I'll see you in the next video.